You about the pizza you owe me on Discord. There it is. Don't even see where I could have checked out any merch. I'm always curious. Okay, so when you go... Okay. We'll check out the tornado warning here in a second. True facts. So, when you go to my channel here, alright, you see my channel on YouTube. You go over to where it says store. What the heck just happened? Why is my... You know, chat. Alright, there's things that I could wait for, and there's things that, you know, could wait for even more. And this is one of those things to where I'm pretty sure YouTube is like, hey,